What up, people? It's your boy, Daddy Noland. All right, so we are now moving into statistics. We're going to start with a pretty easy lesson here. This is called mean, median, mode, and range. I put some little definitions using my own words. The mean is the average of all the data. All you do is add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. That gives you the average. The median is just the middle number. Mode is what number repeats the most. Now with the mode, you could have no mode, where no numbers repeat. You could have exactly one mode, or you could have more than one mode. You'll see some examples here in a minute. And the range, I think, is the easiest. It's just the biggest number minus the smallest number. So we're going to do a couple of examples. So here's our little data set. We have 18, 14, 19, 22, 22, 18, 18, 16, 20, and 22. We're going to start by putting the numbers in order from least to greatest. So guys, whenever we're talking about this data, you need to start by putting all of your data in order from least to greatest. So let's see, the smallest number I have is 14. Then it looks like I have a 16. Then it looks like I have a 18. Then I have another 18. Another 18. A 19. 20. 22. 22. And 22. Your numbers are now in order from least to greatest. Now, let's start by finding the average. Again, the average is where you add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So I'm going to rewrite this going up and down. I think it'll be easier for us to add. All right, let's go ahead and add down. 2, 4, 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 8 is 31. 31 plus 8 is 39. 39 plus 6 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I added them all up. I got 189. But how many numbers did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to do 189 divided by 10. Well, we know 10 can go into 18 one time. 10 can go into 89 8 times. Can 10 go into 9? Nope. So here's my decimal, here's my 0. 10 into 90? 9 times. Well, look at that. You just found the mean. You just found the average. So the mean is 18.9. Done. Nice and easy. Now, I'm going to do the median last. The next one I'm going to do is the mode. The mode is what number repeats the most. Well, the 14 doesn't repeat. The 16 doesn't repeat. Well, the 18 repeats 3 times, right? 19 doesn't repeat. 20 doesn't repeat. Oh, the 22 also repeats 3 times. Well, since they both repeat the same amount of times, you have 2 modes. The modes would be 18 and 22. There's your mode. It's what repeats the most. All right, your range is your biggest number minus your smallest number. (22 minus 14 would give you 8. You have a range of 8. All right, the last thing we have to do is find the median. The median is the middle number in your data set. Okay, in order to find the median, your numbers have to be in order from least to greatest. If they're not in order, you're not going to get the right answer. All right, the way I do this is I always take 1 off the front, 1 off the back. 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 Oh, but you look at this. I have 2 numbers left, don't I? If you ever have 2 numbers left, what you do is you take those 2 numbers, you add them together, and then you have to divide by 2 because there was 2 numbers. Ooh, look at that. What number's between 18 and 19? 18.5. There's your median. 18.5. Well, there you go. There's mean, median, mode, and range. That wasn't hard at all. Let's go and look at a second example. Once again, I'm going to start by putting these numbers in order from least to greatest. 1. Then I got a 2. Then I got a 3. Then I got a 4. You got a 5. I got a 6. Got a 7. Got an 8. Got a 9. All right. So we have to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. All right. Well, this time I'm going to start with the mode. Do you see any numbers that repeat? No. There are no numbers repeat. Therefore, there is no mode. See how easy that was. Range. Biggest number minus the smallest number. 9 minus 1 is 8. There's your range. Okay, let's see if we can find the mean, the average. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, so far 10 plus 10 is 20. 7 plus 3 is 10, so 20 plus 10 is now 30. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 30 plus 10 is now 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. So you added them all up, we got 45. And I'm going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, how many times can 9 go into 45? Go in there 5 times. There's your average, your mean. Let's find the median. 1 off the front, 1 off the back. 1 off the front, 1 off the back. Take 1 off the front, 1 off the back. Off the front, off the back. Oh! Look at this. Notice how I took 4 numbers off the front here, and I took 4 numbers off the front here. Therefore, my middle number is, good, it is 5. My median is 5. Now, I'm going to help you all out with something. You will have one median, like we do here, if the amount of numbers you have in your data set is odd. Notice we had 9 numbers here. Therefore, I was able to have one nice middle number. If we go back to our first example, we had 10 numbers here, and I had to add those 2 and divide by 2 to find my median. So guys, if you have an odd number, you will have exactly one median. If you have an even amount of numbers, you will have to add the 2 numbers in the middle and then divide by 2. It's a nice little trick for you guys. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. I'll be making another video here shortly involving some more statistics. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.